For this video, I am going to teach you how to vectorize image, and the tool that we are going to use for this video is Illustrator or Adobe Illustrator. So the first thing that you need to do is open the app in your device or the Adobe Illustrator app on your device, and then just open a new file just like so. So select the size that you want to use for your project. Hit create on the bottom right part of your screen. Click file on the upper left corner and select place from the drop down menu, or can go for shift control P on your keyboard or shift command P if you're using a Mac. So now once you are in here, just select the image that you want to use for your project. So I'm just going to resize this one, there, and then I'm just going to zoom in. And now what you're going to do next is really simple. Just click on to your image right here. And then once you are in here, on the right side part of your screen, make sure to select properties on the upper. And now once you are in here under the quick action, select trace image and you'll have some options. So you can go for 3 colors, 6 colors, 16 colors. But for now, let us try 6 colors first and and see what will what the 6 colors will look like in the image. So there you go. This is the 6 colors. Now, if you want to add more details into your image, so you just need to click on to this image right here, or this icon that will allow you to open the image trace panel. So this is the trace panel right here. So now what you need to do is, so again, I'm just going to this one is to utilize this color slider right here. So you can go for or you can utilize this slider. So the minimum color that you can use is 2, and the maximum, or the maximum, yes, the maximum number is 30. So you can use this slider, or you can just basically type in the number that you want to use for your image. There you go. So I'm just going with 21, and this is the 21 colors applied and to my image. Now, if you want to have more details or to improve more your image, just click onto this advanced section right here. And on this one, you can decide the settings for your path, corners, and noise. So this is much more helpful if you are going to remove the background of your image, which I will show you and how you can do that one. So right now I'm going to show you. So what you need to do is to open up your Photoshop, and in here I am going to basically just import the same image that I have in the Illustrator. So I'm just going to open that up in my file, drag and drop it right here and resize it. So what you need to do is to hit this select subject button on the bottom part of your screen and let the tool do its work. So as you can see, it outlined the image or the color that I have, and click on to this mask button on the bottom, or icon rather. And now what you need to do is to right click on to the layer on the right side part of your screen and select quick export as PNG. So I'm just going to save that into my device again, and then just go back into the Illustrator. So the same goes for this one, file, and then place, and then select the image that I have. Remove the background on with the Photoshop. So there you go. I have this one, and click onto it. Image trace, 6 colors. So there you go. So you can basically do the same thing. So I'm going with the 21 colors again. So for this one, let the changes be applied to my image. And now, as you can see on the first part of the, or prior to this one, the background is not really removed because, or for some reason, what you can do for that one is to select this ignore color, and the tool will automatically identify the color of your background. And once you've checked the ignored color setting, the image or the background will be removed just like so. So now let us try to improve the image more. So I'm just going to smoothen out the corners of the image, smoothen out the noise, and also and the path. So there you go. That is how you can vectorize an image using Illustrator. So the process is pretty simple and straightforward. So I hope this video helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell button. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.